All right, guys. How's y'all doing, man? Hope you guys are doing great, man. You feel me? We back once again. New day, new live stream, new day of the market or whatever you want to call it, man. We are back. We are back. We are back. We are back, baby. How you guys doing, man? Hope you guys are doing great. Yeah. Cause I'm doing just fine. Alhamdulillah. But man, we back, man. Yusuf, my brother. Assalamu alaikum. How are you doing, bro? Man. Bro. Dude, I don't know why, but just these fucking headphones, bro. It makes like the front of my hair just look so weird. I don't know. Whatever, man. Whatever. Alhamdulillah, broski. How about you? Alhamdulillah, man. Cannot complain. Cannot complain, man. Cannot complain. I'm gonna just get my journal ready real quick. Exit. Profit/loss. R to R. Bias. Boom. That's what I put all the time. Every single journal, I always started off with that. I know, like, I'm kind of writing it down very fast. A lot of the words are chopped, bro. But it don't matter, man. All right, bro. Anyways, chat. So yesterday, did a lot of stupid things yesterday, man. Yesterday, I had a horrible day, bro. Like, actually, it was pretty bad. I mean, we ended up taking a beautiful paper trade. This was absolutely beautiful, chat. Like, this trade right here, bro, it was actually insane. Like, let's just look at this. Let's look at this real quick through a 1 minute time frame, and look at the entry here, bruv. All right, so I'm gonna hover over the arrow that shows me the position, and the other arrow that shows up right on that candle, that's where I made my entry, brother. That's zero drawdown right there, man. Made my entry immediately. TP got smashed, second TP got smashed, and I was honestly thinking about even holding all the way up here for a full close, which we ended up getting that, but you know, I didn't hold it to there. But hey, I'm not gonna complain, man. I'm not gonna complain at all. But yesterday we ended up taking some very stupid trades. Right after that paper trade, man, my ego was just off of the roof, and you guys will find out what happened at the end of this week once I post a new video. You full-time trade? You trade full-time? I guess you can say yes. I guess you can say I do. I mean, I trade every single day of the year. Every day that the market is open, I'm trading. But I still have another job, you know? Like, I still have my 9 to 5 as well. So if you're saying, like, if this is the only thing I do, yes and no, but no. Right? It's still not profitable yet, bro. But inshallah, we get there soon. Priority high. Inshallah, soon you can be. Jazakallah khair, bro. What about you, bro? Have you gotten into? Because I think you told me that you were gonna like start getting into it, right? I believe so, right? Correct me if I'm wrong, but have you gotten in? Or maybe you did tell me, but I think you might have told me that you just don't know what strategy to stick to. I'm not too sure. I can't really remember. I was doing it for a year. Okay. Quit. How come, bro? You're not thinking about getting back into it or what? Linus, what up, my boy? How you doing, man? But I'll get back into it, bro. You should, man. I'm telling you right now. The sooner the better, man. The sooner the better. Austin, what up, my boy? Is Powell speaking today? I have no clue. I have not checked the news at all. Let me check that real quick. Powell does speak today. Hmm. It's gonna be interesting. 9 a.m. And by the way, chat, our targets got hit today, like literally, like not even that long ago, like 18 minutes ago, like right around 8 a.m. Our targets from yesterday got hit, which is insane. I believe these are the targets we had yesterday. Maybe it was this. No, yeah, I think it was this. Pretty sure we were targeting this, and just now we got it hit, but doesn't really matter. So Powell does speak today, so that should be pretty interesting. But first, I need to fix my psychology by working. Pretty sure he speaks twice this week. Does he? Let me check. Oh, yeah, he speaks tomorrow as well. What the hell? And Trump speaks as well today. God damn, that shit's so bright, bro. Looking forward to at least some good volume. Not yet. Powell's gonna pump, or not pump, but a lot of things are gonna happen. That's for sure. But let me just analyze this real quick. So this is Sunday's gap. It's the gap we created on Sunday. You know, if we end up staying right, like the upper end of this gap, I would expect us to go higher. And I mean, if we're talking about like where liquidity is, where is the liquidity? So obviously we got our low resistant highs right up here. Sunday's gap. Hmm. Because I mean, like I told you guys earlier in the stream, we did take out less than highs. We did take out the liquidity that I was targeting yesterday, which was looking forward to have it today as the target, but unfortunately we took that out. All right. So technically speaking, if we're going off of how I trade, you know, price is gonna go from liquidity to liquidity. So technically, price is currently or price already took out liquidity. So technically we should be looking for, opposing liquidity. Some lower resistant highs right up there. Hee boy. We have Powell's speech, bro. Yeah, I know. I'm gonna be careful, bro. I'm gonna try my best to be as careful as I can because that boy Powell, man, he don't play around. Bro, imagine being someone like Powell. Imagine just in a way, I don't really believe that he okay, so kinda gonna contradict what I'm gonna say here, but I do believe that the markets are manipulated in a way, okay? In some way, the markets are definitely manipulated. So I believe that, let's say, for example, news moves the market. Yes and no. That's just what I believe. I do believe that the market is already like kind of, I'm not going to say that there's an algorithm. I do somewhat believe there is, but in a way, I do believe that the market is already programmed to do whatever the hell it's supposed to do. I think the news just pumps in the volatility to make it go where it's supposed to go, if that makes sense. Probably doesn't make sense, but either which way, it's super scary always trading on news. Like, I don't even know. Like, usually a lot of the times I'm always just hands off the mouse, bro, because bro, I don't know. I'm still not used to being able to like have enough confidence and just place a trade right before news is about to drop. But yeah, I would definitely love to see some higher pricing. I think these highs up here are definitely on the table today. Probably daily high could definitely be possible. Technically, ES and NQ are both in sync right now. I mean, they're both technically taking out the same liquidity. What about the Dow? Mm. Dude, Dow looks completely different. Like, it's actually insane. But the Dow is actually still at the upper end of the gap from yesterday. So if we end up staying there, I don't know. I never trade the Dow, and dude, after what happened yesterday, if you guys will find out next week once I post that video, but all I gotta say is fuck the Dow. Yusuf, my boy. I appreciate you with all the likes, my boy. Appreciate you. If that makes a new high, that's an inducement. I don't really. I think that one trader, what's his name? Walker, like Walker Awesome, something like that. I think he's the one that trades with inducements, right? I've only heard him talk about inducements. I don't know. I don't know too much about that. I'm a crypto trader today, or I'm a crypto trader. So today BTC might dump hard. I don't know. I don't even trade crypto at all. Yeah, I don't even know. I'm so bummed out, like, because right before Bitcoin ended up going to 100,000, I dude, it's insane because I don't know why, but basically I was supposed to go in on Bitcoin, and you guys see this line right here. I literally told myself that price is gonna come down to this line, and once it comes down to this line, I'm gonna buy and I'm gonna get in, brother. Look at that, bro. This literally ended up being our low before we ended up going to 100K. Tragic, bro. And I never participated in this. Wow, God, awesome. I follow him. I learned everything from him. Nice. Okay, yeah. I thought so because I was gonna say like I've never heard anybody talk about inducements other than like him. Never gave like his trading style a try, but I'm sure it definitely works. Um, I mean, I told you guys. I mean, I definitely would love to see some higher pricing. I think the highs are definitely on the table today. Gonna journal real quick. Oh, looks like we just opened up right now. Oh shit. I was just journaling, so I mean, what's your daily profit goal? I don't know. I never put a daily profit goal. Feel like that's just a disaster waiting to happen, bro. Because then you're always gonna be like, I need to hit my profit goal. I need to hit my profit goal. I need to trade. I need to trade. I need to trade. And yeah, that's just not the mentality you want to be in. If the trade setup comes to me, it comes to me. If it doesn't, then oh well. Come on, people, spread love by liking it. My boy. My brother. If I was looking at this the way that I trade, I would say that right now we have had. I mean, it definitely does look like we've had like some sort of shift in price delivery. Mm, I mean, that definitely looks like it's going to be inverted. Oh, what the fuck? Bro, what the hell? You from the US? Yeah, bro. I am. Omar, my boy. Much love, my boy. Much love, man. Because, yeah, I mean, the way how I would look at this right now through the 1 minute chart, I mean, look at that. Shift in price delivery right up there. Price breaks above that. Comes back here to our first imbalance that got inverted towards the on the way to liquidity. I mean, it's gonna take out the highs before it even gives an entry. That's what I'm saying, bro. We got a bunch. We got a bunch of strength in the market right now, bro. But the way how I'm looking at this right now is that this was a market maker sell model that's turning into a market maker buy model. But dude, we have so much volatility, or not volatility, strength in the market right now. This is not going to retrace at all, bro. I mean, look at NQ right now. Shit's insane, bro. Come on, bro. Oh my God. NQ, my brother. Don't leave without me, man. Oh my. Why, bro? Where's the retracement here, man? It's actually insane, bro. That's tough. That's tough. Now here's the thing. Like, let's say I want to make an entry, right? Let's just say I want to make an entry right here. Where the hell is my stop loss going to go? Hmm. Sure, brother. About the stock market, it looks like it's setting up a market maker buy model on the 15-minute chart. Yeah, that's how I was looking at it as well. Dude, this thing is leaving without us, dude. That's actually insane, bro. Nah, NQ's not retracing back down there, bro. ES especially, it's not, dude. Both of these are not, bro. Just made 3K at the open. Nice, my boy. Good stuff. 318 ticks. Oh, wait, let me look at this through. Yeah, that's actually insane. That's insane, bro. That's so unfortunate. Technically, this right here is an area of reaccumulation. So I might end up doing a little some, something cheeky here. Anas, hey chat. Hope everyone's doing good. New here. Appreciate you coming in, man. I appreciate you. What's a market maker buy model? Um, hold on. I might have a picture of it. Matter of fact. All right. So this is it's not the best representation, but it's gonna work. Okay. Basically, you have up here your original consolidation, right? So that would be, if you look at the screen, it would be our highs right up here. And basically, Picasso. Hey, but basically, we have our first leg of distribution, our second leg of distribution, our liquidity sweep. This would be our first stage of accumulation, second stage of reaccumulation, and then this would be our sweeps for the highs. So it basically just looks like what we have right now. It's not going to be the prettiest every day, of course, but it's always going to be something like consolidation, first leg of distribution, boom, second leg of distribution, and then our liquidity sweep, which is the red line right here. And from here, we're going to go up, first stage of accumulation, reaccumulation, and then going up for the highs, right? So that's usually how a market maker buy model is. And then that'd be the same thing for a market maker sell model. So this, how I was looking at it right now, was a market maker. Look at this, bro. This is some crazy shit that my mentor has been teaching us recently. But you can either look at it through this one. Let's just put it like that. It's a little bit more cleaner. This right here was a market maker sell model. I mean, look at this. We got our original consolidation right here. Market maker sell model that turned into a market maker sell. I mean, market maker buy model. So you can kind of see it right here, Market maker sell model, boom, turned into a market maker buy model. It's crazy shit right there, man. No, my Picasso. I found a screenshot of a market maker buy model. Yeah. ES is our weaker one. So technically, ES definitely has the possibility of retracing lower. The one I would definitely love to buy would definitely be NQ. I mean, just look at this, bro. This imbalance here is insane, bro. What kind of... Yeah, I'm gonna be honest with you guys. I do not know how far NQ can have the retracement. I mean, by the looks of it, it definitely does look like NQ's bound to have a retracement, right? But how far can that retracement go, dude? I have no clue. Because there's a mitigation here. I would definitely love for us to come back to here. But then if you look at it like this way, this here is technically also an area of reaccumulation. And a strong market, a market with strength is not going to have a deep retracement. So we can't be in the mindset of like, oh, I'm going to make my entry down here. Hell no. Market would not come down there. Especially now, this to me right here, that's an engineered high. What an engineered high is basically just when price comes very, very close to some sort of concept, for example, our liquidity sweep, and misses it by a hair. And that usually tends to be an engineered high, which means that it was engineered, it was made on purpose. It's gonna come there, very, very close, pull back, take some people out that get scared through the pullback, and then proceed to go back to where it was originally. Hmm. What do you mean with the label LRHS? So that means low resistant highs, meaning that they're low resistance. So, price is just gonna boom go through them. Low resistant highs, relative highs, equal highs, whatever you want to call it. It's the same thing, really. Macro coming up in like 5 minutes, but I don't even think we need the macro to get up into those highs. We're gonna get up there no matter what. See, I mean, look at that. We touched that imbalance, this big ass imbalance by a hair. And I mean, are we really surprised about that? Not really. You know, I told you guys, strong markets are not gonna provide uh big pullbacks. Like for example, right here, I would definitely make an entry on that mitigation. I don't know if I would consider that candle to be a candle that closed above it though. That's the thing. That's a bit hard to decide on that.
Order filled.
But you know what, chat? I made an entry, and I don't recommend anyone to take this. Okay, don't really recommend much to take this, but I think this is gonna hold. This should be our area of reaccumulation. I would hope that price doesn't come down to the first imbalance right here. But honestly, now that I'm thinking about it, it's a bit dumb that I put my stop loss right there. This is gonna be like a quick 1-to-1. It's not the best R to R, and I have honestly shouldn't have taken this trade. Honestly, because I think I'm kind of reacting off of emotions right now. Not gonna lie. But I was saying that I probably shouldn't have put my stop loss right at that imbalance right here because ES is the weaker one. So that means that ES could have a bigger pullback than NQ. But I do believe that we're gonna get up in there. And I just gotta hope that I don't get stopped out before we get there. But yeah, like I said, I don't recommend anyone to take the trades that I take. Like if I was to see this, I'm gonna put my stop loss a little bit lower because I do think we're gonna tag into this imbalance. You think longs for sure, bro? Yo, is it P&L? It's showing, right? P&L showing? I hope so. No, yeah, it is. Got about a minute and 40 seconds left before we enter inside the macro. Now here's the thing: the macro can either, hmm, I don't know, because I'm kind of having second thoughts about this entry because I do think that the better entry might have been us coming down into this imbalance here, but we'll just have to see. We'll have to see because right now NQ is still holding higher pricing. I'm gonna hope that this macro is what launches up into the highs. I mean, we have a lack of wick on this 5 minute candle right here. That's a lack of wick, right? Which it's gonna get taken out, but or you have to TP. What do you mean? My TP is up here. These this target up here is definitely something that is gonna take out. It's gonna get taken out. These highs up here. But I also think that we can, if we're gonna go higher, I do think that we can definitely touch into the 60, 80 level. Yeah, like I told you guys, I definitely should have been more patient on this one. I do think we're gonna come down into the imbalance. That's just my fault. I got too impatient, which I don't. This is a very bad thing that I'm about to do, but I might end up, making my stop loss even bigger. But I don't know. We'll have to see. I'm just kind of managing this at the same time. I got a very bad entry simply because of emotions. Emotions really did get the best of me on this one. I'm not gonna lie. Not worried about news. I think we should be able to hit TP before news hits. Hopefully. If we don't hit TP by the time that news is getting closer and closer, that I'm just gonna close because news is definitely gonna like rail me, bro. No Diddy though. We'll have to see though. We'll have to see. We are inside the macro, so hopefully this is what launches us up into the highs. No Diddy, bro. You gotta say it, bro. Okay, I don't know why, but the PNL was just stuck at negative 100. Don't know why, but should be fixed now. I don't like the fact that we ended up creating lack of wick right there, and equal lows of lack of wicks. That's like super bad. NQ just took out the liquidity that we were targeting, so that's good. Unfortunately, ES didn't take it out at the same time, but I think now volatility should be getting into the market. That's at least what I would hope so. I'm going to keep an eye, a very close eye on this, bro. Because I do not like that ES and NQ are not taking out the same liquidity at the same time. That tends to be a no-no for me. Hold on, chat. Chat. Stop blowing the candle. Hey, whoa, hold on. No diddy though. No diddy though. Stop blowing the candles though. Hey, please. Please. Hold on. I'm trying to think which one we should use. It's the hammer, bro. Hey, start going, bro. Please. Nah. Price is really not doing me right, man. Dude, I don't know what to think about this one right now. Because I don't really like that, the fact that, you know, we're not really getting up in there. Like, I definitely did get a pretty bad entry, I'm not gonna lie. And which state do I live in? Illinois, bro. NQ went above the highs, but proceeds to make a wick. Super bad. Fam, basically 1 more minute, 5-minute candle for your bullish TP. Get hit. After that, cooked. I know. I'm kind of thinking of closing this trade, I'm not gonna lie. I'm thinking about closing this trade, chat. I'm at break even right now, so if we get hit at break even, we're out. Because we're getting closer and closer to news, and I do not want to be holding this during news. But I also might be committing a very, very bad mistake, bro. And to be honest, I'm trailing my stop loss too. I'm putting my stop loss down up here, which is kind of bad because I do think that these lows are going to get taken out because these are a lack of wicks. The market makers got to be on my side today, man. Because, yeah, I do not like how we created wicks here, bro. We closed under that low. That's not good. That's not what I want to see at all. But then yet again, we might it might just take me out and then immediately go to my TP from there. And I have a feeling that's what's going to happen here, guys. Fuck it. Just take me out at break even. It's all right. Chat, we got out at break even, which I think that was just such a bad idea to do. I think we're just going to launch to my TV from here. We'll see. We'll see. I don't like the reaction we're having on NQ, and I don't like that we're getting so close to news. So honestly, that might have been the best thing I could have done. We made a total of 15 bucks, chat. Chat, we're rich. You're trying to go to lunch, man? Oh, me. Oh, me. What's news? News. There's red folders news, bro. So it's gonna be Powell that speaks in 5 minutes. So the market could literally like shit the bed, or it's either gonna go into the fucking moon, you know? So who knows? No hater shit, but I hope that happens so I can get a winning trade finally. Are you in shorts or are you in longs? Market looks like it's consolidating before high impact news. Longs, okay, no, yeah. I got out of the trade chat. I'm not gonna lie. I had a pretty bad entry. Kind of got in because of emotions. Hoping it moons to your TP. It looks. Hoping it moves to your TP after they took you out. Hey, hey, chill out, my boy. I don't know, cause at the same time, like, nah, this is gonna shoot up, bro. This is gonna go higher. Get one short. Get one short contract. I need this, bro. This is. I think this is gonna hit, bro. I mean, I'm just looking at NQ right now. NQ is starting to go higher right now. But brother, I would be careful if I was you, man. I mean, the news is either gonna make it shit the bed or it's gonna make it go extremely high, you know? All I can say is if you have the chance to go break even, well, let's say you made an entry on that inversion, go break even. If you're in profit. If you're not in profit, then I don't know. That's up to you. Don't punish yourself for collapsing the trade, bro. Don't build up the bad emotions. You're right. You're right. You're right. No, yeah. It is what it is. If this trade hits or not, it is what it is. I mean, the better entry would have definitely been on NQ. NQ was our leader of the day, and it's actually insane how many um consecutive up candles we ended up having. You know, the only thing right now, the other reason why I was kind of scared being in this trade too, is the fact that ES is our lagger. So I was long.
Stop field.
Why am I in a trade? Hold on, hold on, hold on. Why the fuck am I in? What the?
Order filled.
Ain't no fucking way. Chat, I'm actually about to cry. What the fuck was that? What the fuck? No. No. Ain't no way. Hold on. That's so bad, bro. Oh my gosh. Ain't no way, chat. I don't know for the people that caught that or not, but I'm actually about to cry, bro. What the fuck was that, bro? Oh my god, bro. Chat. When I was in the longs here, I had a sell stop right under here, so that once price got there, it took me out of the trade. I forgot to remove the sell stop, and the sell stop got activated when we had the dump. Ah, it's all right. It's okay. Another red day down 432. Wait, what do you mean? I thought you said you were in longs. You should be up. It wicked my stop loss. No way, bro. No. You had your stop loss on that imbalance then. No, yeah, that's why when I was in this trade, I was saying that I'm gonna put my stop loss. Like I'm already kind of breaking my rules, but I would put my stop loss right at the middle line of that imbalance. Because if this is bullish, the middle line should be respected. And I mean, just look at that. We respected the premium end of the premium of the premium imbalance. No, the premium end of the premium end of the imbalance. Damn. I don't know if that's how you say it. Because every concept has a premium and discount. And there's a premium and discount inside the premium and discounts. That's so unfortunate, bro. I'm so sorry about that. If it makes you feel any better, I took a stupid ass loss today too. Bro, I lost 500 bucks for no reason. Nah, it's chill. How did you lose? Bro, when I was in the long, right? Earlier, when I was in the trade that I had made like, I don't know, somewhere here, and I got out at break even. Basically, when I was in this, I put my sell stops right here, like literally right at the bottom of that. And when I got myself out at break even, I forgot to remove the sell stops. So when this dump ended up happening, it tapped into the sell stops and it put me into a short. And I got out like right over here. Oh my dude. You think short's dumb right now? I don't know. I wouldn't I mean it's I don't know. It's really all up to you, really, but in my opinion, what I was looking for was the longs, and I'm not really looking for anything else other than that. Dude, that actually sucks so bad. Any injured, sir? I don't know. Now the move is kind of done. What I was looking for already happened, so I'm not really looking for much. Chat, I'm actually about to cry. Ain't no way, boy. Dude, that actually sucks so bad. Why would you not switch your bias when the market is showing differently? Yeah, we call it a day. See you guys tomorrow. I'm probably gonna end this soon too, my brother. You take care, man. Hey, tomorrow we coming back strong though, man. Think about it though. Bias was correct. So don't beat yourself up for it, bro. Why would you not switch your bias when the market is showing differently? Um, I don't know, because the move that I was looking for was the longs. So if technically, if I caught the longs, I'm not gonna look for shorts anymore. They could definitely happen, but if I caught a trade, I'm not gonna place another trade. Like for me, one of the rules is one trade a day, max two. Two is already pushing it, you know? But max one trade. So even if some sort of short starts showing up, I'm really not gonna take it. But I'll tell you what, I mean, we are reacting pretty nice when it comes to shorts. I mean, look at these wicks, candles closing under the highs. You know, ES is our lagger. The only thing here is that we don't have clean targets for the low for the bottom. one trade. How can you get a basket of trades if you're only taking one trade? Why would you take a basket of trades? You only need one trade a day, bro. Who taught you that, bro? Really, the best traders are practically only taking one trade a day. You need one single trade and that's it. That's really all you need. And for some people, that trade might be something like this. Boom. And they're in and out. Some people, that one trade might be something like this, all the way down here to highs. So if you're catching something like this, what makes you think that? What makes you think that? Oh, I just caught this big ass trade. You know what? Let me place another trade. It just doesn't make sense. Last night I noticed that GBP was poised. And then you're putting all your eggs in one basket. That's terrible advice. What do you mean? Last night I noticed that GBP was poised. And then you're putting all your eggs in one basket. That's terrible advice. I don't know what you mean by that. I'm already done for the day. I made 3K at the open, longed out my account for the day. Boom. You see, that's what I mean. like my boy right here. Good stuff, bro. Hella happy for you, man. I'm hella proud. Yusuf, what up, my boy? How you doing, man? Terrible advice, he said though. Explain that more to me, Gemini. What do you mean by that? You're saying that taking one trade a day is terrible advice? The more trades you put on, the more errors you commit. So that's all I'm saying. The more trades you put on, the more stress you put on yourself. Taking one trade a day is the most smartest thing you can do. Especially if the move that you were looking for already happened. Why would you want to take the opposite? Even if it's going to show, like, why would you want to take it if you already took the setup that you were looking for originally? Like, if I was looking for longs and I was never looking for the shorts, let's just say that the shorts do end up happening. Why would I still even want to partake in the shorts when the shorts were never the thing I was even looking for? From the very beginning of the morning, I was looking for longs. So if the longs already ended up happening, it just doesn't make sense for me to want to take another trade and then have the possibility of giving everything that I already earned away into the market. What did I miss, G? You missed the longs, my boy. These beautiful longs. It was definitely more of a gamble, not a clean setup, but sometimes it's just obvious what the market wants to do. Exactly. Because what does the market do? The market goes from liquidity to liquidity. Simple as that. That's why I was saying, like this is a market maker sell model that was turning into a market maker buy model. Super, super clean. What's your goal out of R? I don't really put in R to R. Or no, I do. Usually always 2 and above. It's usually always 1 to 2 or 2 to 1, whatever. Anything that's above a 2 to 1. But yeah, chat. I think I'm gonna end it here though, man. The move happened already, and to be honest, I'm not really looking forward to trading anything else for today. Um, yeah, I'm not too sure what to expect for today, for the rest of today. That could definitely be possible that we end up going for highs. I don't know too much about the shorts because there's really no liquidity to the bottom. There's literally nothing. These longs were very, very beautiful because we took out the liquidity I was targeting yesterday, reacting off of a 15-minute imbalance, which usually that 15-minute imbalance tends to be either the high or the low. Of course, context is what matters. And this was just absolutely beautiful. Unfortunately, we took one of the most dumbest L's ever. Lost literally my 1% for practically no reason because I forgot to remove the sell limit that was supposed to take me out. I forgot to remove it. And when we dumped down, it tagged me into it. It put me in a sell position when I was never, ever supposed to be in a sell position. But it is what it is, man. You know, don't care. We're going to come back tomorrow, inshallah. But anyways, with that being said, man, it's been your boy Flacco Trades. I really do appreciate everybody that tuned in into the stream today. You know, hopefully you guys caught this long as well. I'll be back again tomorrow, Monday through Friday. You feel me? Every single day, practically 8 a.m. Central Time. So I'll be expecting y'all tomorrow, man. Try to tune in, man. Try to talk with your boy. But with that being said, man, I hope you guys have a good one. Don't get crushed by these markets. Be safe. Stay blessed. Don't do nothing stupid. And I'll see you guys until next time. But once again, I do appreciate everybody that tuned in, man. Shout out to all of you guys. Much love. But I'll see you guys, man. Y'all take care.